Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will try to save you a couple $100 here and there on a Volkswagen, Jetta or Golf MK5. If your AC compressor is chaotic, doesn't work all the time, works sometimes or doesn't turn on at all, it's very possible that it's not the compressor, but it's a special solenoid that goes bad and you can replace it for only like 20-25 bucks. So stay with us, we'll show you how to do that now. Don't forget to check out our main channel, World Mechanics. It's down there in the description and we have amazing builds and it's growing crazy fast thanks to you guys. So that's the Jetta we're talking about. The AC sometimes will work, sometimes won't. Most of the times it will not. And that's the compressor out of it that we have right here. And what goes bad with those actually, it's that solenoid right here. And we ordered one online. Team, we paid 25 bucks with free shipping. Okay, and it's premium OEM parts. Okay, so that's the solenoid that activates the compressor and it turns it on and off. So that tells it when to turn it on, when to turn it off. And if there is a problem, it's not going to work. And there is no need to buy a whole assembly because a whole assembly is pretty expensive. So better do it for 20-25 bucks. You need to remove that I forgot what you call that thing, that ring there. Okay, so you need to get this one out of there, okay, with pliers. And this one is a little bit tricky because it's stuck there pretty good. Okay, we almost got it now. That's what it looks like. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and pull it out. You just pull it straight up. It has a couple of seals, so it's stuck there pretty good, unfortunately. So you have to help it with a screwdriver a little bit, but even if you damage it, it's damaged already. Just don't break the compressor. Okay, if you help it a little bit, okay, that's the solenoid we are talking about. Ours is bad. That's original one right there. So we're going to go ahead, replace it and see what's going to be now. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and push that one in, make sure it goes there. And you need to make sure you probably apply a little bit of oil on the seals so it doesn't hurt the seals. As you can see, we have 2-3 seals and we'll just go ahead and install that thing there. So that's it. So all we have to do now, we're gonna go ahead, put it together. We have a video how to remove it, how to install it guys, so pretty simple. Check it out, it's in the playlist, and once we put it together we'll go test it and tell you if it works or if it doesn't. Okay guys, we put it together, we test drove it, it works great. It saved us so much money because we had so many Volkswagens, we had to replace the AC compressor. Check it out now, it's less than 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, the thing is a little bit dirty. About 35 degrees, that's freezing cold and it works great. 25 bucks and you have a ice cold AC compressor, so you don't need to buy a new one. Hopefully the video was helpful guys, give us thumbs up if it was. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.